Banks in Gibraltar will adjust their rates according to their fixed or floating rate products. The floating rate products, which are linked to base, will be adjusted in accordance to today's interest rate increase, and the fixed rate products, which are there's quite a few out there, will stay as they are.
Is that immediate?
It should be immediate because the interest rate increase is as of today officially. So if banks are pricing certain products against the base rate, well, as of today the base rate has gone up by 0.25.
Who's likely to be hit the most?
Well, the borrowers are always the ones hit most by an interest rate increase. An interesting thing to note is that the younger borrowers, people who've had houses for the last 5, 6, 7, 8 years, have never actually seen an interest rate increase. So for them, it's going to be a new experience having to all of a sudden pay more for your mortgage.
Well, of course, it's not just about borrowers, it's also about consumers. So how's the average household going to be affected, particularly with credit card interest rates also going up and new business startups?
Well, credit cards, it's another form of debt, just like mortgages, which means that the household will have to pay more towards their debt, i.e. credit cards, mortgages. That means they will have less to spend at the end of the month. Business startups will be exactly the same. Unfortunately, their level of debt repayment on a monthly basis will go up, and therefore they will have to increase prices to be able to do this. But we also have to take into account that the interest rate increase we're talking about is 0.25. It's not a massive increase.
It's good news for savers, though, and also for banks who are looking to entice savers.
Eventually, it should be in the same case as the borrowing. The banks that have products linked to base, savings product linked to base, those products will pay more, and the banks which have fixed product will not necessarily increase their savings. But yes, it is a good thing for savers, although we have to take into account that what we're really talking about is a 0.25% increase. It's not a massive increase either.
So is 0.5% the new standard, or can we expect more interest rate rises in the coming months or year?
Well, Mark Carney was on the news at lunchtime, and he explained that he doesn't expect interest rates to increase very quickly. In fact, I think the markets are probably pricing in another interest rate increase in 2019 and a further one in 2020. So we're quite a long way away from a lot of interest rate increases.
Overall, is this good or bad news for Gibraltar?
It is good. Interest rate increase as a sign that the economy is going well. And because of our proximity to the UK now with Brexit and everything is happening, the fact that the UK economy is doing well is good for Gibraltar.